Say it.
We can get some French fries when it's not
Read it.
spooning.
Read it. Read it.
It says we can get some French fries when we're not spooning.
48 nations, a massive array, heading to Washington the 5th of December day. Kennedy center stage, the lights are shining bright for the biggest tournament to ever take flight. 3 host nations ready to take their bow: Mexico, Canada, the USA right now. Oh, it's the World Cup draw, a brand new design. A tennis-style bracket, keep the giants in line. From Meta to Azteca, hear the crowd arise. 12 groups of battle for the ultimate prize. Spain and Argentina sitting at the very top. France and England with talent that won't stop. FIFA made a rule, a new decree assigned. If they win their groups, they'll leave the rest behind. They won't face each other till the semi-finals near. Protecting the blockbusters we all want to see here. Messi and Yamal on opposite sides of the tree, dreaming of a final that the whole world wants to see. It's not rigged, it's seeded, engineered for greatness. The fans want answers and here they are. Whoa. 12 groups of 4 drawn from the colored pots. Mexico and A1 are taking the opening shots. The US and California knowing where they'll start. While Italy is in the playoffs, hoping to break some hearts. From Part 1 legends to the newcomers obscure, the road to July 19th is anything but pure. It's the World Cup draw, a brand new design. A tennis-style bracket keeping giants in line. From Mecca to Azteca, hear the crowd arise. 12 groups of battle for the ultimate prize. The ultimate prize!